Hello friends, welcome to the email writing series of second videos where we talk about the system and process self-assessment checklist urgent and important. This is Akhil Sharma from the Kushback who sent us to follow on site. So urgent and important. Dear team, greeting of the day. We have initiated a drive for system and process assessment. Please find the enclosed checklist. It contains especially SOP standard operating procedures, checklist logs. Kindly go through it. Update the remark yes, no, not applicable. If answer is no or not applicable, please specify the reasons for the same and actions plan if answer is no. Hard copies and soft copy must be available at the site. Benefits of system and process SOPs, checklist and log. Consistency and standardizations ensure uniform service delivery across all accounts, reduces variabilities and human errors. Operational efficiency streamlining workflow and reduces time spent on repetitive tasks, enable quick onboardings and training of new staff. Accountability and transparency logs and checklist provide the clear audit trails, help identify who did what and when, improving traceabilities. Improved compliance ensures adherence to internal policy, client requirements, and regulatory standards, minimize risk of non-compliance penalties, enhance client satisfactions, predictable and reliable service, build client trust, faster issue resolutions due to the documented process, performance monitoring and continuous improvements. Log helps track KPI and identify the area of improvement. SOP can refine based on the feedbacks and performance data. Risk mitigations reduce dependency on individual knowledge, ensure business continuity during the staff turnover or emergency. Consequences not having proper system and process. Inconsistency in service delivery leads to the client dissatisfactions and potential control loss. Increased error and oversights. Without checklist and SOP, critical tasks may be missed. Lack of accountability. Difficult to trace issue or assign responsibility. Compliance risks. High chance of violating legal and contractual or obligations. Inefficient operations, time waste in rework, confusions and duplicate efforts. Poor knowledge transfer. New team member struggle without documented guidance. Limited scalability. Difficult to manage multiple accounts or expand operation without standardization process. So there is a checklist, STP logbooks, checklist and logs. टॉपिक होना चाहिए फॉर डेली STP चेकलिस्ट, फ्यूल कंजप्शंस रजिस्टर्स, UPS logbooks, training attendance sheet, training feedback form, monthly training report, emergency log report, elevate complaint registers, daily elevate status report, log sheet, electrical substations log sheet for inverter status, log sheet, DG set, weekly DG set, fuel consumption report, log sheet, water supply systems, log sheet for water tank level, log sheet air conditioning plant, log sheet of area temperatures, log sheet of AHU, permit to work, electrical work permit for work, daily civil work deployment report, maintenance plan, civil work, periodic checklist, inspections card, LOTO, confined space entry permit, permit to work for housekeeping, material lower liftings, work permit, deviations approvals, job safety analysis forms, permit for excavations, LOTO sequence procedure, LOTO procedure for the equipment declared for the logout tagouts, equipment instrument guards, calibrations plan, maintenance schedule for the equipment for the air, fortnightly maintenance, job assessment, occupant, KWH consumptions record, BMS, CCTV, HU, chiller, SOPs, condenser, primary chiller water pump, secondary chiller water pump, air conditioning foundations, BP, DB, electrical elevators, HT panel, LT panel, changeover, PLC, UPS, ventilation fan, elevator and escalator foundation, water shut off, water tank cleaning, WTP, manual STP, fire alarm panel, fire system, job responsibility details, deployments plan, escalation matrix, at least PPM schedule, training schedule, daily daily report for firefighting and equipment, checklist, log sheet for fire system equipment, MIS, fire tanking and mock drill, permit of hot work, alarm, FAC checklist, daily fire systems incident report, fire detection systems, quarterly smoke detection, hose pipe, yearly pressure test record, daily fire checklist, training sheet of SOP, protections, fire extinguisher logbooks, weekly fire reports of inspection, training attendance sheet, monthly training report, training feedback form, fire extinguisher inspections, surveillance detectors, daily test run of fire pump, fire extinguisher to be checked, fire emergency, fire drill, fire and safety handover, disaster management plans, first aid manual, standard operating procedures, job responsibility, escalation matrix, training schedule, request compliance, job card, helpdesk tracker, feedback form, daily management report, monthly cost sheet, stationery requisitions and record, duty roster, petty cash, attendance and RO, staff leaves record, attendance record, staff expenses, helpdesk SOP, DMR SOP, MMR SOP, purchase incidents, purchase requisitions, request for quotations, comprehensive standards, purchase orders, materials records, store bins, rejections of manual, HSD receipt, bill, PO and SR serial number, SOP of receipt, issue manuals, procedures and process, SOP for issue and reconciliation of HSD. These are the checklist and slogs that should be mentioned on each site. So I hope you can also work on this site, then there is very less probability of failure in any of the problems and plans. So hope guys you will maintain these all records and enjoy your work at site. And first of all, no one can put you any allegations in case of you are not done any wrong task. So this will help you to maintain. And as a manager, it's very necessary to know, because in facility management allegation is very normal, and always employees don't have any value overall at my experience, because whatever the management and whatever the vendor say, HR will follow that instructions only, and always their decision is against the employee. So please must mention, or please must follow and this checklist, and be fully compliant at site.